Sabotaged by rain. The August short film was bombarded by water during a critical time in filming, and we nearly didn't get an ending. Let's take a look at how Trapped was made in 1 month under 3 strict rules. Rule 1. The Patreon budget. The budget is limited to whatever my Patreon total is, and I can't chip in myself. Rule 2. No freebies. That means no asking people to do things for free and no borrowing things for free. Rule 3. Fair pay. I have to pay people fairly for the fraction of time I can afford. The original idea for Trapped was to film a character stuck in a time loop that had a very narrow time frame. Our protagonist is right in the middle of trying to break up with her abusive partner when she unexpectedly falls into the loop. She finally summons the courage to tell him how she feels, releasing her from the time trap, but can't sustain her conviction to break free from his clutches and remains trapped in the relationship. It was always going to be a tough task trying to film 12 whole pages in a 2.5 hour shoot with only myself to record video, audio and direct. But thanks to some meticulous planning, we were pretty much on pace to get it done. Until 20 minutes left when the heavens opened on an otherwise glorious day. We tried to make the most of the time we had as the actors rehearsed while I got on my knees to pray.
Go somewhere nice, but I'd really rather not have another good day out.
It's not that. I don't know what's going on. You keep... Something's really wrong.
What's wrong?
I don't know. It's like the same thing keeps happening over and over. It's really started to freak. React.
What?
It repeated again.
What repeated?
That.
This stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got away.
That's the stuff.
There, that. The same thing keeps happening. You keep drinking and saying those words.
Yeah. I'm addicted.
No, seriously. I don't know what's going on, but it's like I'm stuck in this moment in time. We don't even get very far before.
That's the stuff.
That's good. Have a go of.
Yeah, I'm addicted. Yeah.
We'll do a couple of takes.
Yeah.
A couple where you're like, oh, I'm addicted,
Yeah,
you
I'm
know?
addicted.
And maybe a couple are like, yeah, I'm addicted.
Yeah, sure, yeah. Play around with a few different ones.
I think we're okay to carry on.
Yeah.
But that will be our backup. That should happen again. The light rain became a downpour with time ticking by. I couldn't call a break because the actors had to shoot off afterwards, and I couldn't bring them back for a second shoot another day due to the rules. So I was stood on set with three main choices. 1. Cut to black right as the film is crescendoing and make it a two-parter, hoping the actors will be on board for doing a sequel in the future. 2. Cut out a number of scenes and change the ending, though this would be detrimental to the story arc of the characters. Or 3. Film it as planned, if the rain gives way, and have to deal with the continuity errors. In the end, I went for option 3, but it wasn't without its difficulties. Our lead's hair got quite wet, and so this caused a bit of a conundrum. Telling a story where continuity is critical as they relive and reset to an original state is a bit of a problem when the actor's hair is now soaked. So I just tried my best to frame the hair out of shot where possible, or put the actor completely out of focus to try and make it less obvious. Here's how the film Trapped came together. One story idea, one scene, 12 pages of script, 2,276 words, 2 actors, a 2.5 hour shoot, 1 location, 2 cameras, 37 slates used, 89.2 gigabyte footage shot, 1 crew member, 5 hours editing, a $69 budget, 18 patrons, processing fees $6.73, Patreon fees $3.45, £45.29 the total to spend, £1 on props, the rest going into time on set with the actors. Put together with the usual equipment plus a Zoom H5 audio recorder. All coming together to make one movie in 1 month. The rain and the overambitious page count were definitely the biggest difficulties this month, but the writing itself was also tough to put together. Trying to create the 4 main stages was difficult to seem natural without clobbering the audience over the head with thuggish exposition. This film was made possible thanks to my patrons who provided the budget for this project. If you'd like to join the team, you can do so via the link below. Trapped is now available for you to watch over and over and over again. That's the stuff.